Picture this, having Amazon affiliate sites that basically run themselves. No joke, these bad boys are totally automated and rank on Google without you lifting a finger. Pretty sweet, right? Check this out, AzonNinja is pretty cool. It's this new AI thing that whips up Amazon affiliate sites for you, no sweat. We're talking fully automated, ready-to-go sites packed with hot content and reviews for all the trending stuff. And get this, you can monetize them with just 3 clicks. No more shelling out monthly fees for sites with top-notch content and reviews. And here's a bonus, you don't need to mess with ChatGPT API or juggle multiple logins. Sweet, right? Oh, and it doesn't matter what you're using. It works on any device, whether you're Team Windows, Mac, Linux, or rocking a Chromebook. Pretty handy, huh? It's like having your own personal Amazon affiliate site wizard. Here's the lowdown. You can whip up these slick Amazon affiliate sites in no time flat. We're talking under a minute. It's super easy to use. Just a few clicks and bam! You've got a site that Google's gonna love. Want product reviews? No sweat. This thing cranks them out for you from a ton of different categories. It's got its finger on the pulse of what people are searching for on Amazon. Hot keywords? You got 'em. Making money is a breeze with legit reviews for products that are selling like hotcakes. The AI's always cooking up fresh reviews for the latest trending stuff on Amazon. Folks are raking in the dough with this AzonNinja thingy. Amazon's where it's at, you know? Let the AI do the heavy lifting on those affiliate sites. You just sit back and watch the cash roll in from your clients. This isn't some small-time gig. We're talking big league stuff here. Billions of dollars big. No need to shell out a fortune every month for fancy tools. This has got you covered. Even if you're new to all this, no worries. It's a piece of cake to use. Oh, and get this, for a limited time, you can snag a commercial license and sell these awesome services. Alright, AzonNinja is super easy to use. Here's how it works. First up, just log in. No big deal, right? Use your usual login info and boom. In less than a minute, you'll see AzonNinja do its thing. It's pretty cool, actually. Next, pick a niche. There's a ton to choose from, so you're bound to find something you like. Once you've got that sorted, the AI takes over and starts cranking out some seriously awesome affiliate sites. And get this, it keeps working even when you're out and about. Last step, hit publish and watch the money roll in. These sites look amazing, and they're packed with AI-written reviews for all the hot products out there. Easy peasy, right? Give it a shot and see what happens. You've gotta see AzonNinja. It's pretty sweet. This thing can help you make money on Amazon without lifting a finger. Sounds cool, right? If you want to see how it works, just click the link below. It's worth a look, trust me.